And now we'll build a 27-piece firecracker. Your kit comes with 30 pieces, so the first thing that you'll want to do is go ahead and take 3 pieces, remove them, and set them to the side. Now your first 3 pieces are going to go in straight in, right side up, dogleg to dogleg and straight to straight, just like so. Go ahead and close those 3 pieces. You have a shape that looks just like this. Now you need to take that stack, flip it over, and you're going to go ahead and put in 6 pieces. Hook it here, and like so. Hook it here, and again. All these pieces going in backwards. Hook it here, and again. And now you've got 6 pieces. Now for the next level, it's a bit more complicated. You're going to flip these over, back right side up. And you're going to put in 9 pieces. So here where you see it's made of V with the 2 pieces, let's go ahead and put a piece in there. And then we'll put a piece here. And we will put a piece here. But don't hook it. Leave it just like so. So it's those 3 pieces. Move to the next side. Do a piece in the middle. And then we'll put a piece to this corner side. Hook it there. And hook it there. So now you'll be able to see these 3 pieces. Like so. We'll move to this side. We'll do one in the center. We'll do one here. And one here. Great. You've made that so far. That's wonderful. Now go ahead and take your stack. We're going to flip it back over so it's backwards. And then this level is going to get 6 pieces. So here you've got 2 of these. So let's go ahead and put 2 pieces right inside. Perfect. Move here. And hook this just like so. Your second piece and hook that like that. You have to look at it, see the 2 pieces. Move to your last side. Let's go ahead and put in these last 2 pieces. And now that you've got those flaps, such as they are, we're going to close it in here on the sides. And the way that we do that is we are going to lock these pieces just like so. There we go. And lift it up here. So we will again lock these pieces just like so. One up there. Come over here. Lock these pieces. This stage, top of that shape should look like so. And take our last pieces and put them in. We're going to do that right side up. Hook it here in the cluster and up top. And there again. Same thing here. Hook it here. Push it in. Like that. Hook it here. And for our last piece, we always need to be sure we kind of rotate it like that so it'll fit. Put it here and here. Kind of pop that out into one of those. Then you're going to fold this and just bring it towards you. Lock it here and here And now you've built a 27-piece firecracker.